What's going on, YouTubers? Gadang775. I'm back with another video, and today I was supposed to do a headphones unboxing and first impressions, but the pair of headphones that I got had a slight problem with them, so I had to send it back. So I'm sorry about that, but instead of the headphone unboxing, I'll be doing an unboxing of a brand new set of Bluetooth speakers. Okay, you folks know I love my speakers. I like to test out new products, and I like to test out relatively new products out on the market today that don't have too much reviews behind them. So this product is called the Anynow HIFI wireless wooden Bluetooth portable speaker. Anynow. Okay, I've never heard of this company before. I took a wild chance when I ordered this like weeks back. Okay, I already seen some reviews on Amazon. There's possibly some manufacturing problems that happened with the company, but there's only 7 reviews on it right now, 3.5 stars. So I'm kind of nervous. I'm kind of nervous if this purchase that I made is gonna be a good one. So, but it's in this little box. It's a little bigger than I thought it was gonna be. So $40, and I think it has. Let me check the wattage on the speaker. I forgot how many watts the speaker puts out, because when it comes to volume, the amount of watts is usually the amount of watts that usually gives you an idea how loud the thing's gonna be. So these have 4 speakers at 3 watts per speaker. So, and it comes with Bluetooth 4.2, which is pretty good. It's like the highest standard there is out there right now. Bluetooth 5.0 is nowhere to be seen anywhere yet, and it's got 3.5mm output, and it has room for a memory card you can stick in there. So let's see. You can stick a memory card in here and just play music directly off of this thing. And the 3.5mm jack is if you want to just plug it in via auxiliary. So let me get this out. What's this? I'm pretty sure these, there's the 3.5mm jack. There's the charging cable right there. It's packed in there pretty well. See, this is a nice solid packaging right here and this product costs $40, by the way. I actually had a 5% coupon for like $42.99 with 5% off, came out just under $40, and I'll leave a link down below. There's actually a deal going on right now with a 5% off, the same exact deal I paid for this thing in the first place. Wow. Okay, and there it is. I like the look of the speaker. I kind of, what do you call that? I like the look of these wooden type speakers, and it's got some decent weight to it for what I paid for. Is this wood? Smells like wood or plastic, can't tell. So there's the top right there. Yep, it has room for a TF card or a micro SD card. You can stick a card in there. DC 5 volt. 5 volt is a micro USB wattage, so you get anything higher than that, I would be careful. Like any standard phone charger, I guess, micro USB phone charger could charge this thing. See, modes, input. Okay, there's the top, there's the buttons right there. I don't know if you folks can see it. I'm trying to get you folks have a good view of it, but yeah, you got the power, micro USB charger, input, that's the 3.5mm jack, and the volume and modes and whatnot right there. So I'm gonna go ahead and get this paired up with my Moto X4. Okay, let's see if this has any juice. Cross my fingers. It does have.
The Bluetooth device is ready to pair.
Wow. Bluetooth device is ready to pair. Sorry, I don't mean to make fun of your more settings. I need to search. It's searching. Oh, by the way, I'm gonna pair it with this Arisen Winbox after, because I like testing out my Tempow software on my Moto X4. I love the Moto X4's Tempow software, and there you go, it popped up instantly. So W speaker pair.
The Bluetooth device is connected successfully.
Wow, that was quick. That was like almost instantaneous. Now I turned the volume up because I like to see how loud things initially are. So I'm gonna go ahead and play my song. This part of the song always has static, so it's part of the. Got decent volume. I'm impressed. Oh, it can go even louder. Not bad. Not bad for under $40. Now let's try another song. Let's see, what other song? Let's try one with a little bit more bass. My usual. You can feel some air here, it's moving, that's good. First impressions. This speaker is fantastic for what you pay for. You can hear it. Mids, highs, and the bass, they're all there. Bass I wish was hit a little harder, but what can you expect? I mean, you got 3 watts per speaker, so this is basically a 12 watt speaker. And let's see, the mids and highs, they're crisp, and I got it up to full volume. That's the loudest it can go. I kind of wish it got a little bit louder, but I'm not gonna expect much for something under $40. But this is very impressive for something under $40. Very, very impressive. And I like the look of it. I mean, this would look nice on a shelf, you know, on my little wall unit right here, or maybe even in the bedroom and whatnot. I like the design. Okay, it's a little bit bigger than I thought it was gonna be. I thought it was gonna be short, but I guess, see, this is how big it is. I mean, it's pretty big. I thought it was gonna be a smaller speaker because most speakers that are like $40, Bluetooth speakers, they're like that or like this, something small. But this is a pretty decent size, and you got the bandpass action going here. The port right here, you can feel air moving when the bass is pushing out. It's got a nice sound profile. Okay. Let's see. It doesn't get sharp or tingy at full volume, as you can hear. It was at full volume. I made it louder. I made it to the top, so that was as loud as it can get. So it didn't distort, which is a good thing. I don't like speakers that distort. My Downy A5 does distort a little bit, but some of it can be attributed to the grill. Okay, but let's go ahead now and pair it with my Arisen Windbox speaker. Okay, that's the joy of owning the Moto X4. Okay, pairing 2 random, 3 random, even 4 random different Bluetooth speakers and pairing them together. Now the thing is about the Moto X4 Tempow software is that it's advisable. Okay, I've been messing with this a lot. You should pair each product individually first via Bluetooth, then you switch off to the wireless sound system, and then pair them together that way. And I figured out the best way to pair these things on the wireless sound system is basically when they're close together like this. You know, set them close together and have your Moto X4 right next to these things. Because if these things are far apart, like I've tried pairing speakers like from across, one speaker there, one speaker there, one speaker back here. I tried pairing them like that, you know, and I set the Moto X4 in the middle, and it did not come together. Okay, so they have to be close together to get this Tempow software available. But once you got it paired, okay, they should pair via wireless system like that. So now I'm gonna activate the Tempow software. See, it's confused now. It's trying to pair my Arisen Windbox speaker to it because I put it on there. So now I'm gonna activate the wireless sound system, and the wireless sound system or the Tempow software takes the place of your Bluetooth, okay, if you have your Moto X4. I'm gonna turn this on.
The Bluetooth device is ready to pair.
Now see, As you can see, I don't know if you can see that. Crap, it's too bright. There. I don't know if you can see it, but you got the Risen Wind box and this Anynow W speaker. I guess it's called W speaker. I mean, but I'm gonna call it Anynow. I'm sorry. So now there, I'm gonna connect them.
The Bluetooth device is connected successfully.
Now I'm gonna connect the Risen Wind box. Is this paired? The Risen Wind box is connected. Now, like I said before, you need to press this little circle on the top here. You need to sync both speakers together, and it says start calibration, and try to keep it on this page. You see that, how it's syncing? You see that? It's blending the speakers together. Okay? And don't let your phone fall asleep. Just kind of touch it a little bit once in a while, because if this falls asleep, I've noticed that it doesn't pair well. If your phone goes to sleep and it goes dark, you think it's working in the background. It's not. It has to stay on this page to use this Tempow software. I mean, that's from my experience. Now, I don't know if that happens for others. So, you see, it's pairing. I'm just going to keep on tapping it and whatnot. And let's see if I can get these two paired together and make them sound like they're in harmony. I love this Tempow software. I know it was an unboxing and first impression of this Anynow Bluetooth speaker, but I really like testing this stuff out. This is like fun for me, okay? And I wanted to get you folks like a little tutorial on how to use the Tempow software if you got the Moto X4, because it was a little bit confusing to use at first. So there, it says its calibration's completed. The thing is, sometimes it's not going to calibrate perfectly on the first try. Sometimes you have to calibrate it twice. So let's go ahead and see how this sounds together. There might be a lag. Hear that? That's lag. So we have to go back and calibrate it again. See, sometimes it doesn't do it on the first try. Okay? So I'm going to do a little jump cut and make sure this thing gets calibrated correctly. Okay, folks, I got both these speakers paired up. And I can tell you for a fact, sometimes it takes more than twice to get these things paired together. I actually had trouble pairing the Anynow Bluetooth speaker with this Risen Wind box, okay? I actually had to forget the connections, then repair them via Bluetooth, then set them up again, okay? So it was a little difficult, but I got it to work, okay? Tempow software is out there, but it's not perfect. I'm pretty sure they're gonna release updates and whatnot and hopefully fix it, but this is the future where everything is gonna be all streaming, Bluetooth and whatnot. So I wanted you folks to get a listen of this pair together. Freaking-tastic. Let's try another song. My sad piano. Fast forward to the bass part. This one's got bass. This one is okay, but it's at least got some bass. There it goes. This Moto X4, man, it's fantastic. The Tempow software, even though it needs a little work, it's fan-freaking-tastic. And this speaker, 40 bucks. Well, less than 40. Actually, I'll just say $40 because it was $42.99 with 5% off. came out to just under 40 bucks, like 39 bucks. So that's $40. Is it worth your $40? If you want a decently loud, balanced, well-balanced Bluetooth speaker that has good connectivity. I did test it out. I did walk down my hallway, okay, 30 feet, and there was no stutters whatsoever with the Moto X4. There was no stutters, nothing, okay. Now, what do you call that? If you go past a little bit, 30 feet, again, Bluetooth 4.2, its limitations is 30 feet. I mean, that's all Bluetooth 4.2 and below. Their limitation is 30 feet. So you can start getting chopped and eventually disconnect when you go past 30 feet. But other than that, okay, the speaker got good highs and mids, okay. They're balanced to a point and it doesn't distort at full volume, okay. Just like my Winbox Arisen speakers here. And I think it's totally worth it for $40. If you find it on sale, 5% off. I don't know why people gave it. Well, I do know why, because sometimes you get products and they are a little defected sometimes. So there's some reviews there down at Amazon. I'll leave a link down below so you folks can check it out, check the speaker out, and that way you folks can make up your mind about it. But for a speaker under 40 bucks or just at $40, this is a very fantastic speaker. Okay, a very good speaker. Yeah. This is Gang 775. I hope you folks like this video. If you like this video, go ahead and hit that like button, subscribe to my channel for more videos every few days. If you didn't like this video, hit that dislike button. Let me know in the comments down below. I do appreciate the criticism. This is Gang 775, just the Maui boy in Texas. Peace out.